Hello, I'm Huazu Yang, a software engineer who enjoys solving interesting technical problems and contributing to human and ecological flourishing. Today, I bring to you the Hall of Mirrors, a web app that allows people to do journaling exercises that help them to build their emotional literacy, as well as for people to contribute exercises in service of this goal. First, how are there exercises for people to do? Subject matter experts author them. They supply information such as a title and a description, as well as how often they recommend that someone revisit an exercise and how long an exercise is expected to take. They can add as many prompts as they wish to an exercise for people to respond to. When an expert successfully creates a new exercise, I post that new exercise record to the database and on this page that shows all of the exercises that new exercise now renders. For a user who wants to complete an exercise, they look at this inventory to pick a specific one. While journaling through a specific exercise, a user can opt into desktop push notifications that remind them to come back on a cadence with the help of event listening on this button and asynchronous JavaScript. I learned how to use service workers and the push notifications API to help me send notifications at a future time, even when the user does not have the app open. I used a scheduling library to help me send notifications on an interval. Upon opt-in, a user will see a first notification. Future notifications will look like this one with tailored content. A user can review the exercises that they have completed in the past and how they responded to help them reflect on their progress throughout this lifelong journey. Here, the Python backend queries the Postgres database for the given user and the unique exercises that the user has completed. An exercise has a one-to-many relationship with prompts. A prompt has a one-to-many relationship with responses. Through this project, I bring together my programming skills and my fascination with human behavior, both of which I carry forward into my engineering career.